Yes, hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Authentic Hilary as usual. So today guys, I'm coming live from here at this place called Shindagha Historical Neighbourhood. And today guys, there is a special event going to take place. I believe you can hear the drumming in the background. So they are already setting up things, and the event is called Sikka Art and Design Festival. So it's going to be held here today, the 23rd of January until 1st of February. So it's going to be running throughout this week, and today it's the beginning day, it's the first day. So we are going to get the experience, and we are going to show you how the event is gonna take place and how everything is gonna go. So if you are new to this YouTube channel, please make sure you subscribe, you watch everything, you watch every little bit of this video from the beginning until the end. Yeah, so I will be taking you around and we explore, we see how different things are being done. There is a lot of events almost on every building here. There is something going to take place. So I believe you will enjoy it, and I believe you will be happy. So this is how the place is ready. Everything is set up, and from this side until the other side, all this street is full of events, and almost everywhere you go, people are holding cameras, and man, it's gonna be fire. So you don't miss this video. Please make sure you watch it from the beginning, and you make sure you finish it so that you enjoy every little bit of it. So guys, I will be behind the camera most of the time, so yeah, enjoy the video and make sure you like and subscribe. So I'm gonna be behind the camera and I show you how everything is gonna be. You can see they're already setting up things, and actually I was very lucky today because they were only allowing people like Emiratis and families and also tourists. So I entered as a tourist. Yeah, I got the chance. I entered as a tourist, but other people are being rejected. They are being sent back because they are not in any way belonging to this festival. So they are saying only families and Emiratis and also tourists are the ones allowed at this time. That's why you see very few people here at this time. So here they are doing art, and you can see what you paint, you take a photo with it. So you can see the people already getting themselves what to eat. Chicken, the little folks, Aisha, all the brands. I think these ones are restaurants and cafeterias. So everything is here. They are showcasing everything. So look at this, guys. So I want to read for you a brief introduction about this event. And they say the Sikka Art and Design Festival is a premier annual event in Dubai, held under the patronage of Sheikh Latifah bint Muhammad bin Rashid Al Maktoum. It serves as a cornerstone of Dubai art season, showcasing work from Emirati, UAE and GCC based artists, with the 14th edition running from January 23rd to February 1st, 2026. There is a lot of noise in the background, so that's a brief introduction about Sikka Art and Design Festival. You can see already here they have already finished setting up everything. There is going to be a live performance here. As you can see, the brass band, everything. It's already put in place. This is how it looks like. Very nice, well organized. It's gonna be fire, man. I think this is the festival that you shouldn't miss. Just look. They are projecting Sikka Art and Design Festival. I think you can now see it clearly. So that is the festival we are in right now. And I think this is the main stage. This is the main stage here. You can see they are setting up their things. Yeah, most of the time I will be back behind the camera so that you can have the feeling, you can watch by yourselves and see how everything is gonna be. I won't disturb you this time talking too much. I want you to enjoy the video. Yeah, let's first of all go this side and we'll see what is happening on this other side as we wait for the event to start. Yes, so guys, if you are asking yourself where we are right now, we are at our Shindagha Museum / Historical Neighbourhood, and this is how the place looks like. The time is 17:51 p.m. in the evening. Yeah, so this is how everything is, and yes, we are waiting for the event to begin, and we see all the amazing performances, and we see a lot of things. So let's just wait and we see how it's gonna be. But before that, let's first of all move around so quickly as I show you how this place looks like. So you can see heritage home, formation. Yes, so you can see how they have decorated this place to welcome visitors. Yeah, the place is shining with bright colors, as you can see, and with the banners, Sikka Art and Design Festival. Yeah, and the entrance is there. There is also another entrance there side. So this is how it is, and this is the main entrance because ahead that is the museum. That is the museum ahead, and all these houses that are being used, like there is stores inside. Some people are doing business from there. Yeah, some of them are closed, and this is how it is. Yeah, so let's move around as we wait for the main event. Yeah, so guys, let's move around and we explore some art and craft, art and design that they have displayed.
No.
There is also this shoes here also.
طبعا مش صادق واللي بيتساءلوا ليش انا بقول انا بابا لبناني ماما لبنانيه اتجوزوا ثم خلفوا اذا هم سعوديين للبنان.
Guys, I'm really speechless. I don't have what to say. Can't explain all this. Yeah, so that's why I decided to stay behind the camera so that you can watch with your naked eyes without any obstruction, so that you enjoy the video. Everything you see here is colorful. Just look how I'm shining, and then you look at this, all this 3D design, you know. So this is how the place is going to be for the whole of this week until 1st of February. That will be the closing date, 1st of February. So right now this is how it is with these beautiful colors. Let's look how they have put eyes in the tree. Actually, this is the outside of the Shindagha Museum, Shindagha Historical Neighbourhood. This is like the outside, because you can see we are seeing now Port Rashid on the other side. Corridors have been decorated with bright colors. All the corridors. Just look how all the corridors are bright with beautiful colors.
هو بيعطيكم في عينك خلاص كده عندنا العفو.
Alright guys, so now we have seen everything, so what is left is the performance, and I want you guys to watch the video. The next video is going to be only performance, so make sure you watch the second video. I will upload it shortly, so you have to watch it and enjoy the performance. Yeah, so that's how it's gonna be. Just watch my next video, you will enjoy everything.
I feel kinda